Who's most likely to? Dance class edition. Who comes late to class the most? Who does the best abinaya? Who takes the longest to get ready for a class or a show? Who always nails their jathis perfectly? Who practices even during breaks? Who's the most dramatic during abinaya practice? Who can dance non-stop without getting tired? Who does full makeup even for practice? Who's most likely to do a wrong mudra with full confidence? No! Who's the teacher's favorite? Who's the most silent and obedient child in class?
Pretty little baby.
நன்றி வணக்கம்